Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and happy. So we have completed our first term successfully. We are going to start our second term. First class, what we are going to do is we are going to take a look on the framing of our constitution, framing of Indian constitution. So let's have a look. The framing of our constitution means the background of constitution, formation of the constitution and how it happened, what was the process which happened behind the formation of our constitution and all the things. So let's have a look at the framing of our constitution. Okay.
The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in the world. The original document in English has 1,17,369 words. The Constituent Assembly was elected to frame a constitution. The members met for the first time on 9th December 1946 in the Constitution Hall, New Delhi. The proceedings of the Constituent Assembly were printed in 11 thick volumes. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed chairman of the drafting committee that presented a draft constitution. The process of drafting the constitution took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. During this time, the assembly met on 165 days spread over 11 sessions. A small group of about 20 members played a crucial role in the actual framing of the constitution. Among them were Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Govind Ballabh Pant, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Hansa Mehta, Durgabhai Deshmukh, Pattabhi Sitaramaiah, Alati Krishnaswamy Iyer, N.G. Ayyankar, K.M. Munshi and Satyanarayan Sinha. The members were national heroes who had played important role in our freedom movement. Some of the best features were taken from the important constitutions of the world. The concepts of liberty, equality and fraternity were taken from the French Constitution. The framing of the fundamental rights was influenced by the Bill of Rights of the American Constitution. The parliamentary system of government was taken from the British Constitution and so on. The Constitution was signed by the members of the Constituent Assembly on 24 January 1950. In all, 284 members signed the 2 handwritten copies of the document. Pandit Nehru was the first to put his signature. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. Over the years, the Constitution has been a modernizing force that has helped transform India.
So I hope you all got an overall idea regarding the framing of our constitution. So we will meet in the next class with the fundamental rights. Till then, bye. Take care.